Hi, so welcome back to the Rescu Academy Reigniting Your Relationship course. I'm Gurton and I'm here to help you understand the underlying forces at work in your relationship that appear as conflicts and ruptures. It may appear that they're intent on threatening your partnership, when in fact they're a natural part of things and the best way for your relationship to develop and evolve into something where you and your partner are more conscious of the patterns underlying you both and your behaviours. Equipped with this knowledge, you can deal with conflicts as they arise in a way that is reassuring to your partner and are less catastrophic. In this module, we're going to look more closely at how to communicate more effectively. The objective is to be able to listen so the other will talk, and talk so the other will listen.